Have you ever wondered, how can I get more traffic to my website? What business owner hasn't? Hi guys, I'm Rachel Lindhagen, president and founder of Etched Marketing Academy, and in today's training, I'm going to teach you 3 easy strategies you can use to grow your website traffic for your business. So stick with me through the end of this training. By the end, you're going to have 3 strategies that you can implement to help grow your website traffic. So the very first thing that we can look at is to do ads, whether it's Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, LinkedIn ads. The ad method that you're going to choose is going to be dependent upon your ideal customer. Who are they? Where do they spend their time? What type of information do they want? But we can look at buying ads because ads can help us to grow our traffic by introducing our business to new customers. The next thing that we can consider doing is to advertise locally. If we have a local business, something brick and mortar, we serve customers, we run a preschool, we run a bakery, we run a restaurant, something where customers come to us in person, we can advertise locally and we'll generally see some great results in that, some foot traffic. And everybody who has a local business wants foot traffic. So what do I mean when we talk about advertising locally? I mean things like your community network newspaper, things like billboards, things like booster advertisements in your school papers or in your school events, or sponsoring a baseball or t-ball team in your community, really truly becoming a part of your community, and then advertising your business within whatever makes the most sense in your local area. How do you go about finding this? You're going to figure out, again, who's your ideal customer? Where do they spend their time when they're not looking for a product or service like yours? Where are they spending their free time? What articles are they reading? What publications, what websites are they visiting? What other local businesses are they visiting? This is where you really want to think about your customer and really understand them. I have a client in Texas, they're a Montessori school. We see enormous results from billboards. You never know what's going to work for your clientele or your ideal customer. You just really need to test and see what works. In the Montessori school example, when they run billboards, we see an increase in website traffic almost immediately. Anytime I'm doing reports and I'm looking at it and we see a big spike over last year, it's like, okay, did we run billboards this month? Check. Did we run billboards last year, this same month? Sometimes we did, sometimes we didn't, but we always see a nice increase in traffic to our website when those billboards are running. The third strategy that we can use to grow our website traffic is one I'll bet you're expecting me to say, and that's SEO, or search engine optimization. In order to truly grow our website traffic and not spend money, we need to spend time and effort on our search engine optimization. That means making it easier for people to find you on Google. So how do we do this? Again, it's going to come back to your ideal customer. Who is your ideal customer and what exactly do they want from you? What keywords are they searching when they're looking for something that's tied to your business, your products, your services? What are they asking for? And then what information do they need from you? You're going to want to optimize your website. If you're not sure how to do that, this video right here gives you a very easy to follow SEO plan for beginners, and it's going to help you understand exactly what you need to do on your website for SEO. You're going to optimize your content. You're going to create content that's very helpful to your ideal customer. The best thing you can do to make content creation so it's not super overwhelming is to plan it out in advance and batch it and create your content calendar. This training is going to teach you how to create an SEO content calendar so that you know you are covering everything you need to do to help your customer and help yourself by growing your business. So you have multiple options. You can buy ads, and like I said, those ads can be social media, they can be Google, they can be LinkedIn. You could buy in your community newspaper or your community parent magazines. This is all going to depend upon your ideal customer, your product, your service, and your community. So you're going to need to do a little bit of research to really truly understand where to best spend your ad dollars. you can advertise locally, and you should if you have a brick and mortar business. If you are a participant in your local community and you have a business that people come to, then you should absolutely be advertising in your local community. Now, again, you're going to need to do a little bit of research to figure out where you should be spending those advertising dollars, exactly what is going to make the best sense. And you can test this, you guys. You're never going to know with certainty the very first time out. This is why we test so much in marketing. It'll give you an idea of what worked and what didn't, and you're going to want to track your ROI, which is your return on investment. That means of the amount of money that I spent for this marketing channel, how much did I get back? You want to have a positive ROI. You want to get back more than you invest when you're buying ads and you're doing advertising spends in your community or online. So you're going to want to track that and really understand ROI. The third thing is up your SEO game. Really figure out what your core keywords are that you're focusing on for your business. Optimize your pages, create those blog posts and that content that really addresses the needs of your ideal customer, and you will begin to see more traffic coming to your website, better qualified traffic, people who are interested in your products and services rather than just browsers. If you really want to grow your business, I recommend that you start with SEO today. If you're not sure if it's the right time, this video is going to tell you when the right time is. Spoiler alert, it's always a good time to start your SEO. If you're ready to learn a little bit more about it, I want to encourage you to get a copy of my SEO Quick Start Guide, which will walk you through what to do for SEO on your website. It's super easy to follow format. It's going to show you what to do. It's got space for brainstorming prompts and things to really help you get through the process. And then I'd also like to invite you to join me in my group on Facebook, which is Learn SEO with Rachel, or SEO Made Easy with Rachel. I'll put a link in the notes there for you so that you can easily request to join that. We do trainings each week on either hot seats, how did they do that, or we look at websites and we figure out why are they ranking, what are they doing, so that you can understand what you need to do on your website. All right, guys, if you found this super helpful, I would ask that you like it, subscribe, and make sure you leave me a comment. Let me know which of the three, buy ads, advertise locally, or use SEO, are you going to start with first and why? I'm curious to know. Thanks so much. Have a great day.